Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. This is a how-to guide to fix dead dirt, waking up northern soil after winter. After a long freeze, northern soils need specific care to wake up fast. Our growing season is short, which means plants don't have time to struggle. Poor drainage or nutrient gaps, they'll cost you precious weeks. The soil has to be perfect from day one you put a spade in. No complicated science, just clear, low-cost steps you can do today. Get this right now, and that brief summer becomes your powerhouse season. Let's dive in and wake that soil up, properly. Before anything else, understand what you're working with. Freeze-thaw compacts soil and squeezes out air. Meltwater can wash away nutrients, leaving the top layer barren. So, run a few simple checks. They'll tell you exactly what to fix. First up, the squeeze test. Does a clump hold, then crumble with a poke? If it's a hard, wet ball, too compacted. Wait a few dry days. If it powders, too dry. Add moisture later. Aim for that springy, crumbly texture. Next, drainage. Dig a foot-deep hole. Fill it, let it drain, then fill again. If it drops 1 to 6 inches in an hour, you're golden. If it hardly moves, fix drainage before planting. Your soil's just waking. Go gentle. Skip the tiller. Use a broad fork or a garden fork to lift, not churn. You're creating air channels and preserving structure. Keep those worm highways intact. If drainage lags, add organic matter, compost, leaf mold, aged manure. 2 to 3 inches on top. No deep digging needed. Structure improves, water moves, roots breathe. For soggy spots, go raised. Instant drainage boost. Compost fuels microbes for steady nutrition. Add worm castings for a kickstart. If needed, a balanced organic slow release, just in the top layer. Remove thick winter mulch on sunny days so soil can soak heat. Use black or clear plastic a week or two pre-planting to raise temperatures. It warms the bed and suppresses early weeds. Cold frames and low tunnels create a cozy microclimate, blocking chill winds. Choose early varieties. Short days to maturity win seasons. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before last frost. Harden off slowly over a week or two to prevent shock. Strong seedlings plus warm, well-prepped soil equals a flying start. In a northern garden, day 1 sets the whole season. 1. Check moisture by hand, avoid digging if it's soggy. 2. Do the squeeze test for compaction. 3. Run the bucket test for drainage speed. 4. If needed, loosen with a fork, not a tiller. 5. Add 2 to 3 inches of good compost or leaf mold. 6. Use dark mulch, plastic or cold frames to pre-warm. Do these simple, smart steps and your plants can sprint to harvest. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe.